Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm you hold the Courtyard emblem and stand directly in front of the gate's locking plate. Once positioned, open your inventory and equip the emblem. This tells the system you're authorized. Then apply a short activation press. Don't hold it, so the gate's scanner registers a clean signal. You do this because the scanner times a handshake sequence. A long press will cancel calibration. Make sure to clear nearby debris that can block the reader before. Once done with the initial activation, perform the core sequence. Tap the emblem to send auth, press the action button to engage motors, then rotate the manual wheel 90 degrees to sync gears. You rotate because the mechanical clutch needs alignment with the electronic latch. Without it, the gate will not unlatch. Monitor the indicator lights closely. If amber appears, back out 2 steps and repeat the tap and press. Make sure to keep your stance steady so the wheel moves smoothly. You finish by holding the action button for 1.5 seconds when the green indicator lights. That releases the final latch. Then push the gate gently until it swings freely, because forcing it risks bending the catch. If you feel abnormal resistance, retract immediately and repeat the sync sequence. This often resolves misalignment. One key troubleshooting tip: if repeated attempts fail, swap in a fresh battery or perform a scanner reset. Most stalls are caused by low power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.